See how close to that bird I can get. Before he flies off. Oh, he flew off. I hear it.
Don't take too long, dear. You don't want to keep your dad waiting. Walk it back.
You see the goose? Look, there's mongoose out there. Where the hell are they? Bam. It's not a goose. Nana says it's a mongoose, I guess. I don't know, man. It's what I heard, man. I don't know what to tell you. Can you see there's a red wing. Wait, what? Turtles! Is that a turtle? No. Thought it was a turtle. I gotta get to mating.
Come down here. Flew around and went back over there. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow and orange. There's a
Yeah, that was a red wing, whatever.
red wing.
What's his face?
There, look, look. Went in that tree.
Where?
This tree right here.
Oh?
No, not that thing.
I mean, I see a red winged hoser.
There, at the back there. See it? There. See it? It's like orange. I don't know what kind of bird that is.
No way. A dog.
A dog walking.
Oh, the mongoose is splashing. It's getting away from the boaters. Nice. Adventure.
Hey?
This
That
is
was a pretty bird. No, that's just a leaf. That yellow thing was pretty.
that was one pretty bed, wasn't it?
Yellow and orange. We have bird books at home, I think.
Yeah, we should bring it next time
There's
we
a
go this way.
squirrel up there eating or sleeping.
Oh,
See him?
yeah, he's sleeping. Or he was sleeping. Wait, no, yeah, he's still sleeping.
We need to get closer to get
Alright, and he's off. Yo, a bird. You can't see.
Oh, look! There's a duck sitting on the log.
Oh, nice.
Right there.
Yeah, I see it. Man, I need to get a camera.
There's a bunch of turtles way further down, sunning on a log, too.
Interesting.
That's a mallard.
Pretty inspiring. Mitter Ducky boy. Mitter Ducky boy. Just as far as I can zoom. Yeah. It's only a 4x zoom, unfortunately. How far can I get?
Oh, now you're getting too close.
Yo. Is that a blue neck hose head? Look, right there. Mitter Ducky boy is voyaging off. Unfortunately. Toodaloo, Mitter Ducky boy.
That's a mallard.
What?
That's a mallard duck.
Oh.
That's a male.
Oh. So it was a Mitter Ducky boy.
Females are sort of a brownish color.
Yeah, I thought so. What are the white ducks?
I don't know.
Because whenever I see ducks, or whenever I see ducks in like videos or whatever, they're always those white ducks.
I don't know what a white duck is.
Yeah, me neither. I see them all the time in videos though.
Look it up.
Yeah, true.
But that's a mallard. That's a male.
Yeah.
female's probably not far away sitting on eggs.
Yeah, males look way cooler than the females.
Yeah.
The females have like very like dull colors.
Yeah.
And the males are like
so bright and brilliant.
Yeah, because they have to attract the females.
And the female's dull because she's always sitting on nests.
Yeah.
And that's in like a swampy area, so she's camouflaged.
Yeah. And I guess the ducks are always out, or like the male ducks are always out in like the green, stuff like that.
They do look after the babies. I think they sit on the nest for a while.
Alright, I thought I saw a chipmunk. Huh?
Sorry. I put one there for that reason. She's all dried up now anyway. Get over it.
And this concludes day 1 of voyaging and looking for ducks. Saint Marie, voyaging, looking for ducks. Pretty inspirational. Catch you in the next episode of voyaging and looking for ducks and frogs and
turtles.
Yeah, inspiring.